go. Leaving port to Camigauin Island. Comes the gate. You look right there, you can see the gate rising. Locked up. Alright, we're seaworthy. Or, I don't know about seaworthy, but we're sea-bound. I don't know about worthy, but we're bound. It's going to be about a 2-hour trek over to the island there. It's supposed to be white sandy beaches. We'll see. We'll see. See how much load I got to upload these videos to YouTube. Kind of reminds me of that Humphrey Bogart movie. You know, what the fuck was the name of that? I'll think of it later when it don't fucking matter. If somebody lives on that island. We got a little kubo there. A religious cross. Their little boat out in front of the beach on their own little private beach there. That's kind of cool. Cute. Cool. I don't even know if you can hear me now. Wind feels good though. Wind feels good. Oops, that's like a fucking hand over the camera. Fucking dumbass. Sorry about that, guys. Well, we're catching up to that slowpoke already, man. That boat out there, ferry out there. I don't know if you can see it. Somewhere out there. Alright, well, let's see if Rose gets seasick or not. Sometimes people get seasick when they're out there. Come on. right here. There's a little bit of a rock and pitch and roll to it. Oh, it's too loud back here. Walking like a drunken sailor, man. Right here in the wind. It's a lot nicer. Not as loud, but you probably can't hear it. Here we go. Oh, no wonder we were passing that boat. It's coming in. It's coming this way. That's why we were catching it so fast. Alright, that'll do till we get there. And we're going to hit a big old fucking log. Big old tree. Right in front of us. Right there. I'll keep you on for a second. Shut the fuck up. We're going to run into a log. Alright, here we go. Good night, guys.